Okay, so check this out. I'm going to show you how to build a self-driving car alertness check in C#. So here's what that means. Our challenge is to write an app that can check if the driver of a self-driving car is alert. So we need to check if the driver is facing forward and looking directly at the road, and if his or her eyes are open. So here's how to do it. The first thing we need to do is detect facial landmark points. Facial landmark points are 68 predefined points on a face, and we can detect these in real time using a tiny bit of C# code. So here's what that looks like. This is an early prototype that I built that is tracking 5 facial landmark points on my face. And as I'm turning my head in front of the camera, you can see that the app is calculating the orientation of my head in real time. And these sliders at the bottom left are moving in sync with the movement of my head. So with this bit of code, we can check that the driver of a self-driving car is actually facing forward and looking directly at the road. So the second thing we need to check is that the driver's eyes are actually open. So here's another application, another prototype that I built that is tracking my eyes in real time. So as I close my eyes, or I open my eyes real far, I'm bulging my eyes, you can see the slider in the bottom left tracking my eye state in real time. So again, this is a tiny bit of C# code that can track the state of my eyes in real time. So we can use this code to check if the driver of a self-driving car actually has his or her eyes open. So when I combine these two bits of code, I get this application. So in the top right-hand corner, you can see a live camera feed, and at the bottom, you can see eye state detection and head pose detection in real time. So as I am moving my head, as I am looking down at the floor, or I'm looking straight up at the sky, you can see that the app immediately detects that my attention is no longer directly ahead. I am no longer looking straight ahead at the road. And when I close my eyes, or when I cover my eyes with my hands, again, the app immediately detects this, and it shows a warning that the self-driving car autopilot will disengage. So this application is 200, 250 lines of C# code. If you want to find out how I built this app, I invite you to join my webinar Wednesday, January 30th at 5 p.m. CET. I will show you exactly how I built this application. And there will be an opportunity for you to download the source code that I used, so you can run this application on your own computer. So join the webinar Wednesday, January 30th at 5 p.m. CET. To join the webinar, click the link or click the button below this video. Thank you for watching.